Greetings traders, Jason here with swinghigh.com. It is Wednesday, November 4th, 2009, and we're seeing a nice pop up in the markets today. As you can see, this morning we gapped up. This shaded light gray area is pre and post market data. So from yesterday's close, we gapped up today, came down a little bit, barely tried to fill this gap, marked a lower or a higher swing low, and shot up from there. Right now on the 5-minute chart, I'm seeing either a rising wedge or a bull flag type formation. These lines are pretty roughly drawn here, so we'll see how that plays out. Let's take a look at the other indexes. Well, the SPY is up about 1.1%. The NASDAQ is up about the same at 1.1%. The diamonds up 1.2%, the financials up 0.6%, and the Russells up 0.2%, or wow, 0.12%, sorry. So real relative weakness in the Russells and the financials today, so take note of that. The market internals, the tick, is, well, open bullish and has been trending back towards neutral throughout the day, showing a little bit of bearish activity. The trend started bullish and is still bullish, but is trending back towards neutral, which is expected. I wouldn't expect much more action for the next 2 hours until the FOMC comes out and announces their minutes. I'll talk about that in a second. The VIX is bleeding out nicely, down 6.2%. I want to draw your attention to the fact that we have retraced greater than the 61.8 retracement line. So that means statistically we do have a good chance of retesting this swing low here on the VIX. My bull flag prediction on the VIX obviously is not valid anymore, and I would not be surprised if we come back down towards the 25 area. But we'll just have to wait and see what happens there. Just want to show you a couple resistance areas we have on SPY that you can expect today. If we break out to the upside from this falling wedge, actually it looks like we're breaking down out of it right now. Expect resistance at 106 and 106.40 or 106.35 area, where obviously we popped up today, hit our heads. That resistance comes from the top of this big red candle from Friday, and expect support at the 50-day moving average, or 105.46. From there we have 104.30 and 102 as well as 108. Those are just a bunch of support and resistance areas I'm throwing out right now. I do expect 106.30 to continue to be relevant today, and possibly even 104.30 if we do break down. FOMC, the Federal Open Market Committee, is coming out and announcing or providing its minutes today, and everyone expects the FOMC to keep rates low. So if they come out and announce that rates are low, expectations will be met. That could provide for a catalyst to the downside, actually. Buy on the rumor, sell on the news. Or we could pop up. I don't see that happening. If anything, I see us trading flat if they announce what we expect. However, if the Fed decides to raise rates today, we could be in for a really big sell-off. And I'm talking really big. We may be up 1% now, but we could finish down 2% if they raise rates. That could be an incredibly bearish catalyst. So keep an eye on FOMC at 2:15. Go to Bloomberg's economic calendar, or maybe even turn on the TV and see what's going on when they announce. Thanks for being a part of swinghigh.com. Check back this evening for your post-market analysis. Talk to you later.